this is horrendous. Them stupid zombies chucked me outside in all of the snow. What am I going to do? But luckily I have this umbrella and this thing to stop me getting wet. Oh, this isn't good. Just look at all of this snow. Oh, stupid zombies. I've had enough of them. I want to get back. I'm going to shoot them so much. What am I going to do? I need help before this umbrella falls or something and all the snow comes on me. Oh, this is really, really, really bad. I mean, I guess it's good because it's getting close to Christmas, but I hope I can make it through this. Because if I don't, then you know what'll happen. Oh, this is really not good. I need help. Help! This isn't going to do anything, me shouting help. Ever. Maybe someone will notice I'm gone. Oh, this really isn't good. Anno must surely think. Because we were supposed to be having a practice thing today. Maybe I should just sit camp here. This snow is really not good. Where is Peashooter? Supposed to be having this shootout today. Oh, luckily there's a thing to stop here. Ooh, it's cold. I might just carry on flying. Where is he? Surely he's not here. Don't know why I would have thought that. Huh? Peashooter! I know. Oh, Peashooter, how come you're out here? Oh, them stupid zombies. They chucked me out. Oh, luckily you have this, God. Right, we need to get you back. Maybe Chomper could help. I mean, we have Chomper. Hopefully. I just really hate those stupid zombies. Yeah, okay, chill. Oh, it's really, really snowy. I'll be back in a minute. Wait, no. Look at all the snow. Whew, wow. Well, at least it looks nice, I guess. But still, I shouldn't be flying in it. It's really, really not good for me. I'm going to go back to Peashooter. Peashooter. This isn't good. I know. We need Sunflower or someone to come and save us. Us? You're the one who can fly away. I know, but I can't carry you. No. Right, I'm gonna go and get Chomper. Back in a sec. Okay, Peashooter. I told Chomper to come. Because you know he can go on the ground. And yeah, it must be really cold for him. Hello, Chomper. Finally. Oh, you need to get us out of here. How am I gonna do that? Guys, this is getting worse. The snow. It's coming all in, look. Oh, and I'm gonna get soaked. My feathers! No. Well, I can't do anything. Oh no, the snow. Guys, I know, you're gonna have to get us out. Tell you what, I need to go. What? You can't just abandon us. Well, yeah, I know. I'll go and get help. I'll go and get Sunflower someone. How can you get Sunflower? She's in a time where you can't disturb her, remember? Oh, yeah. That time. Stupid time. This is really, really bad. It's getting really worse. Like, if someone could hold the umbrella over us, that'd be perfect. Yeah, but no one can, and you're on top of me. Alright, guys, I've got to go. I'll go and get help, or someone. Or just figure your way out. Right, maybe I could carry you out? No, I'm too heavy. At least try. We can make it back. Well, I know, come on, go. Yeah. Oh, we can make it back. Yeah. Whoa! This stupid snow. Oh, it's horrible. Oh no, drop me. Luckily I made it back, but now my leaves are all filled with snow. because I had to walk from there. Oh, this is horrible. How am I even gonna do this? Let's think. Come on, Peashooter. Come on. There's literally nowhere to go. Oh, and the storm's getting worse. Snowing. Maybe I could be Mary Poppins and fly down on this umbrella. Nah, that'll never work. This is getting bad and I'm getting cold. I mean, Phoenix is recording another random nugget survival, so I don't know what I can do. I can't call for him. Oh, if only someone knew I was out here. Oh. Right, I've got to go. This snow, I'm going to beat it. I'm going to run. No, I'm going to go. Uh-oh. Snow on over, Peashooter. Duh! Oh, I made it. I'm just going to tell Sunflower. This is really bad. I don't know what to do about Peashooter. I just can't stop Sunflower. Can't stop Phoenix. I know, it's really bad. But surely you'll make it out. I mean, come on, it's Peashooter. He's got his hyper as well. Ugh, guys, I made it out. Oh, thank God I shut the door. Peashooter! Peashooter, you okay? What happened? How did you get out? What happened? Can we talk about it later? I just... Oh, so sorry, but... Peashooter! No! Uh-oh. Gosh. Oh, no. Peashooter, we need to get into Sunflower. I don't care what Sunflower says. It's Peashooter. We could lose him. As in... Don't say that. That's really touching. You don't... Really sad. Anyway, get him to Sunflower. Come on, I'll take him. I hope he's okay.